So we did it, guys. We just reached 10,000 subscribers on this YouTube channel. It took a little bit over a year, and I'm so excited. You can see my wife's totally professional, artsy thing you can think of, our 10K award right there. Tell me how amazing that is. Truly amazing. But I want to thank each and every one of you guys. I can't even, can you imagine talking in a room in front of 10,000 people? How crazy that would be. But yet, that's where we are. It's been a little bit over a year, and I'm super excited. I want to thank each and every one of you. Thanks for every one of you guys subscribing, every like, every comment. I hope that I have helped you out along your journey of becoming an entrepreneur or building an Amazon FBA business. So I really hope that I've helped you along the way. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. So in this video, I want to give you guys a couple tips to help you succeed, okay? So number one, by the way, this is my son Julian. He'll be, say hi. He'll actually be turning 2 here at the end of April. Yeah, say hi. So one, I seen a speech by one of my longtime friends. I actually grew up with him, and we kind of started our first internet businesses together. His name's Aaron. So Aaron recently gave this keynote speech. He was just given an award for the top 40 entrepreneurs under 40, and what he said really stuck with me, and I posted this in my Amazon FBA Facebook group. Got the link down below in the description for you if you're not in there yet. And what he said is, when you're building a business, you really have two choices along the way. One choice is to be bitter, and the other choice is to get better. So, for example, you post a YouTube video and it just doesn't get the views that you want. That happens all the time to me because, you know, I'm still growing this YouTube channel, and I really have a goal to get to 100,000 subscribers. You get an award from YouTube or Google when you do that, and it's really one of the big goals of mine. And I'll post a video and it just won't get thousands and thousands and thousands of views, which in a way is kind of a lot, because if you picture yourself talking in front of thousands of people, it's a lot. But you know, when it doesn't happen, you can do two things. You can be bitter, you could be mad that you didn't get those views, or you can just choose to be better. And by better means just keep making videos, keep making them better. I'm constantly trying to make my videos better for you guys. And if you look at my videos now versus my videos when I first started, in my opinion, they're night and day. They're just completely, probably 10 times better than they used to be. And I feel like I'm giving better information to you guys to help you build your businesses. And the funny thing about this is this actually applies to every single business and really a lot of parts in life, is that you can choose to be mad, or you can choose to grow your skills and get better. So for example, if your first Amazon FBA product isn't a home run, it didn't make you $1 million. My first Amazon FBA product wasn't a home run. In fact, you know, it wasn't even really that profitable. I sold out of it and I chose not to reorder it. And at that point, I could have been like, hey, an Amazon business doesn't work, and I quit and I want to go on to the next thing. Or, you know, for average everyday people, it would be, you know, just continue on with their 9-to-5 job. I could choose to be bitter, or I could choose to get better. And I chose to get better, and I chose to launch more Amazon products and continue my learning experience and just learn as much as I can, and here I am today. So do the same in your business or in life. Choose to be better, choose to learn more, choose to increase your skills, especially right now if you're at home in quarantine. Now is an absolute great time to learn a new skill or to improve your business or start your business, because there's no time better than the present. And if you don't make changes, you'll never see the results that you want. If you ever think you're spinning in circles trying to build your business, this is what it's like. And my next tip for you guys is, I truly feel that if you want to make it, then you can. I feel like effort holds a lot of people back when they want to start a business and get it going. And I feel like, first of all, a lot of people don't start. And secondly, I feel like a lot of people do start, and then you know, they hit a couple roadblocks. They realize it's, you know, they're not going to make $1 million in the first month, and they quit at the beginning of their journey. And, you know, when you work a 9-to-5 job, if you quit in the first couple months, you're going to have no results. So I really feel like effort is holding a lot of people back. And I would never be where I am today if I, you know, my last real 9-to-5 job, I was working as a waiter at Perkins back when I was like 18. And if I had stayed in that life, you know, my dad worked at a grocery store for like 30 or 40 years. I wouldn't be where I am today. I wouldn't be living in this house, living in where I am, being able to travel the world. I mean, we just went to Hawaii for 35 days. I wouldn't have those opportunities if I was working a 9-to-5 job for somebody else. And it's been a really long, hard road. It's taken a lot of time and years to get to where I am, but I would do it all over again, because what's the alternative? Work a 9-to-5 job and be broke for the rest of my life? And there's a quote from one of my favorite movies, and it says, "Can it be done, Father? Can a man change his stars?" His father replies, "Yes, William. If he believes enough, a man can do anything." Let me know down below in the comments if you know what movie that's from. It's one of my favorite old longtime movies, and I feel like that literally pertains to my life, because if I didn't believe, if I didn't put in the effort, and I didn't keep going, keep trying, keep doing month after month, year after year. I mean, I've been a full-time entrepreneur for 21 years now. I would be, in my opinion, nobody. Nobody would know me. I wouldn't be successful. I wouldn't be able to travel the world. I wouldn't have anything. I wouldn't have been able to have my dream cars throughout the years, and, you know, have a great family and be able to work from home. I mean, right now with this quarantine thing going on, it's like the same old thing for me, because I'm at home working like I do every day. So had I not believed, had I not kept going, I would be nowhere. So I truly believe that you guys can do it too, if you believe that you can change your stars also. Put in the effort, put in the time, and just keep going, okay? Success does not happen instantly, okay? Success happens over time, and as you increase your skills and you increase your knowledge, you get better and better and better, and that's when success happens. Success happens a little bit at a time. Not any of my businesses can I say that one single thing was the amazing thing that gave me success. It was all building the business, building the foundation, brick by brick, piece by piece, putting everything together is what made me successful. So I hope that if you're watching this video in the future, that I'm at 100,000 subscribers or 20,000. Let me know down below in the comments if you're watching this in the future and I'm past 10,000. But thank you guys so much. I appreciate every single one of you. And, you know, I have some links down below for you in the description. Make sure you join our Facebook group, and I'll link another video over here you can watch next. Thanks again. I love you guys so much. Thanks, and I will see you in the next video. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. All right, ready? Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, go! Who is that?
Baby.
Hey, say bye-bye to the baby.
Mama, baby.
Bye-bye.